Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to install the Laravel Snippets. In order to install the Laravel Snippets extension, go to the extension section and then write here Laravel Snippets. When you write Laravel Snippets, this will come and install it, and then Laravel Snippets will be installed on your computer. Now I will use this snippet. If you see the demo, you will see here how it can be used. This is showing here. Now I will show you how to use this in our application. This is the folder and this is a Laravel folder. I have added this in this sidebar, and then I go to the routes, and into the routes you see the web route. I am going to open the web route, and then you just start writing the route. Then you can write anything, suppose delete. Okay, delete, enter. Then you will see that the other course automatically comes. This one automatically comes. Okay, in this way you can write anything, suppose put. Then you see that put codes come, then post route. So you see that your work will be very easier if you see this route redirect, route resource. This is resource route, this is route redirect. So this is very easy. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.